15. Life-changing health benefits of soursop leaf. Graviola. What if I told you that a single leaf could change your health dramatically? Would you believe me? The leaves and fruits of this superfood are rich in fiber and vitamin C, and as such are said to help keep skin allergies at bay and ensure flawless skin. Well, today we uncover the hidden secrets of the soursop leaf, a powerhouse of benefits in a small package. Nestled within the lush greenery of tropical regions, this unassuming leaf has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. In the Spanish Caribbean, it is called guanabana. In Brazil, it is known as graviola. And in the English Caribbean, it would be called soursop. The Taino people, the indigenous inhabitants of the Caribbean islands, used the word guanabana to refer to this fruit. Cultures across Central and South America have revered it for its remarkable healing properties. Some have even gone so far as to hail the soursop as a miracle fruit due to its cancer-fighting properties. However, despite the extensive health benefits of soursop, it's often overlooked in mainstream medical discussions. I don't think the reluctance of your doctor to tell you about the plethora of health benefits linked to soursop is a deliberate attempt to withhold information, but rather a reflection of the limited nutritional education received by many medical professionals. As a result, doctors may be more inclined to prescribe pharmaceutical solutions, rather than explore the therapeutic potential of natural foods like soursop, due to their relatively limited exposure to nutritional science. By shedding light on the impressive health advantages of soursop and other superfoods we've been blessed with by Mother Nature, we hope to bridge this knowledge, divide and empower both medical professionals and the general public to consider a more holistic approach to well-being. Today, we delve into the world of soursop leaves, exploring their myriad health benefits, how they are used, and the potential side effects. By the end of this video, you'll not only be familiar with the therapeutic virtues of soursop leaves, but also knowledgeable about the tantalizing health benefits of soursop fruit itself. We'll guide you through each step, from the traditional uses to the modern-day applications, ensuring you're well-informed about this natural wonder. Let's dive into the 15 life-changing health benefits of soursop leaves, backed by scientific research. 1. Boost immune system. Soursop is rich in vitamin C and E, as well as other antioxidant compounds like flavonoids and carotenoids. These antioxidants can help neutralize free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage and diseases. Notably, the high vitamin C content enhances your body's natural defenses, keeping you resilient against common illnesses. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties of soursop leaves cannot be overstated. They contain compounds that significantly reduce swelling and pain. This makes them an excellent natural remedy for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases, offering a gentler alternative to synthetic medications. Now let's talk about one of the most compelling benefits. 3. Anti-cancer properties. Research has shown that soursop leaves can target and destroy cancer cells, particularly against breast, prostate, lung, and pancreatic cancers. These compounds are found in the soursop fruit, leaves, and seeds. This is attributed to their rich content of acetogenins, potent compounds that have been observed to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in various studies. 4. Digestive health is another area where soursop leaves shine. High in dietary fiber, they help promote a healthy digestive system, facilitating smoother bowel movements and reducing the risk of constipation. 5. Skin conditions. For those concerned with skin health, soursop leaves are used traditionally to treat eczema and other skin conditions. Their microbial properties and natural anti-inflammatory effects can soothe the skin and improve its appearance. The paste made from soursop leaves can be applied as a plaster to treat eczema and other severe skin problems. Oh, before we continue, If you're enjoying the content so far, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you. 6. Cardioprotective effects. Soursop contains compounds that can help lower cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. They help lower blood pressure due to their potassium content, which relaxes the blood vessels and promotes proper blood flow. This reduction in blood pressure is crucial for preventing heart-related issues. 7. Their antibacterial effects are notable too. Soursop leaves have been studied for their efficacy in fighting against bacterial pathogens, potentially preventing infections from wounds and even combating bacterial diseases internally. 8. Anti-diabetic effects. Soursop leaf extracts have been shown to have hypoglycemic, blood sugar lowering effects and can help improve insulin sensitivity, making them potentially useful for managing diabetes. 9. Mood enhancing. The mood-enhancing properties of soursop leaves are also worth mentioning. Traditionally used to relieve stress and anxiety, these leaves can contribute to a sense of well-being and calm, making them a natural choice for those dealing with mental health struggles. 10. Analgesic, pain-relieving, and sedative effects. Compounds in soursop have been found to have pain-relieving and sedative properties, which could be useful for managing pain and insomnia. Soursop leaves have been utilized in various traditional practices to manage pain, from headaches to back pain, offering a natural pain management solution without the side effects associated with conventional painkillers. 11. Neuroprotective effects. Studies suggest that soursop may have neuroprotective properties and could help protect the brain from damage and neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. 12. Hepatoprotective, liver-protecting effects. Soursop extracts have been found to have protective effects on the liver and can help reduce liver damage caused by toxins or other factors. 13. Anti-ulcer properties. Soursop has been shown to have gastroprotective effects and can help prevent and heal stomach ulcers. 14. Anti-aging properties. Soursop contains compounds that may have anti-aging effects, helping to protect the skin and slow down the aging process. And finally, 15. Wound healing properties. Soursop extracts have been found to have wound healing properties, which could be useful for treating various types of wounds. These benefits make soursop a formidable ally in maintaining and improving health. Whether you're looking to enhance your physical wellness or seek natural remedies for specific conditions, soursop leaves offer a range of powerful health benefits that can significantly impact your life. So consider incorporating them into your health routine and experience the changes firsthand. As always, ensure to consult with a healthcare provider to integrate these safely into your health regimen. Whether it's soursop leaves or fruit, it's important to know how to use it to get the optimal health benefits you deserve. How to use soursop leaves and fruits. Soursop leaves are quite versatile and can be utilized in several forms, primarily as teas, extracts, or even for topical applications. To begin with, making tea from the leaves is perhaps the most popular method. Simply take a handful of fresh or dried soursop leaves, rinse them thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities, and then boil them in water. Allow the mixture to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. This tea is reputed for its calming effects and has traditionally been used to aid sleep and reduce anxiety. For those who prefer a more concentrated form, extracts from soursop leaves are also available. These are typically sold in health stores or online. However, it's crucial to source these extracts from reputable suppliers to ensure they are free from contaminants and are produced adhering to safety standards. Topical application of soursop leaves is another traditional use, especially in the treatment of skin conditions like eczema. The leaves can be mashed into a poultice and applied directly to the affected area. This method exploits the anti-inflammatory properties of the leaves, providing relief from skin irritation and inflammation. Moving on to the fruit, soursop can be a delightful addition to your diet when consumed properly. The fruit's flesh can be eaten raw and is known for its creamy texture and exotic flavor, which is often described as a combination of strawberry and pineapple. It's excellent in smoothies, juices, or even as a dessert topping. However, a word of caution: avoid the seeds of the Soursop fruit. They contain certain compounds that can be neurotoxic and have been linked to adverse health effects. Always ensure to remove and discard the seeds before consumption. In addition to the seeds, it's generally advised not to consume soursop in excessive amounts. Like many good things, moderation is key. This is particularly important due to the fruit's high sugar content, which can be a concern for those monitoring their sugar intake. With the right knowledge of usage, soursop can be a safe and effective addition to your health regimen. By incorporating both the leaves and the fruit into your diet cautiously, you can enjoy their health benefits while minimizing any risks. Remember, as with any natural remedy or supplement, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. With this balanced approach, soursop can indeed be a valuable addition to your wellness toolkit. Now let's explore potential side effects and precautions. While soursop leaves offer numerous health benefits, it's crucial to be aware of potential side effects. Soursop, known for its rich array of nutrients and medicinal properties, also comes with a caution tag, particularly concerning its neurological implications. Research suggests that compounds found in the plant might be linked to a condition resembling Parkinson's disease. This is primarily due to anonican, a neurotoxin present in the fruit and leaves, which can potentially affect brain health if consumed in large quantities. Moreover, the effects of soursop on medication can't be ignored. It has been noted for its potential interactions with various medications, including those for blood pressure and diabetes. This interaction stems from its potent bioactive compounds which, while beneficial in many respects, can alter the effectiveness of pharmaceutical prescriptions. Additionally, soursop consumption may cause gastrointestinal issues like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. It is crucial to avoid ingesting soursop seeds to prevent these adverse effects on health. Pregnant women should exercise caution as well, as certain compounds in soursop might be harmful during pregnancy. It's always advisable to consult a healthcare provider before incorporating soursop into any diet, especially during pregnancy. With natural remedies, the line between beneficial and harmful can often depend on the dose and individual health conditions. Thus, moderation is key, and consulting with a healthcare provider is a prudent step before starting any new treatment involving soursop. Always prioritize safety and be informed about both the benefits and risks of natural remedies. This ensures that while embracing the health potential of soursop, one remains vigilant about its possible adverse effects. Remember, the goal is to enhance well-being, not compromise it. Always stay informed and safe. We've explored the powerful health benefits and proper usage of soursop leaves, along with necessary precautions. As we wrap up this enlightening journey, it's important to remember that while soursop can be a valuable addition to your health regimen, it's not a panacea. The information shared today is to enhance your knowledge and help you make informed decisions about your health. The potential of soursop leaves in traditional and modern medicine is truly fascinating. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its use in potentially combating cancer cells, the scope of benefits is extensive. However, always consider these insights as part of a broader health strategy, complemented by advice from healthcare professionals. Now let's turn this conversation over to you. Have you ever incorporated soursop leaves or fruit into your health routine? What was your experience? Whether it's a story of noticeable health improvements or simply curiosity about trying soursop in the future, your input is incredibly valuable. Dive into the comments section below and share your thoughts and experiences. Your contribution not only helps to enrich our discussion, but also supports others in our community who might be on similar health journeys. If you got any value out of today's video, Then please do us a favor and like the video, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on bell notifications so you never miss a new video. That could help improve your health and the health of those you care about. Speaking of videos that could improve your health, here is one on the screen for you to watch. Just hit play.